Okay, Kendall, you're not feeling good, so I'm going to try to give you this water. I know it's not what you're used to from Mommy, but just try it out. It's just water. Just drink it. There you go. Give it a shot. Here, water. Okay, one more try. It's water. I know you're used to something a little different. Come on. Come on. You want some milk instead? Hey, monkey. Do you want some milk instead? You're traumatized. You want a little milk? Yeah. Okay. You can have what you want.